Hello guys, hello people. Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel guys. Welcome. If today now your first time, you welcome. So guys, quickly I want to talk about our this young girl, sorry, nobody small. This young girl when it did for Mali. So and this girl cried to me. I will play all her record right here. You can see that for yourself. So I'm going to be playing all that. She cried here, say she want to go back to Nigeria. Say somebody bring her from Africa to where she did so for Mali, and they say make she come pay so amount of money, make she use her body, and she come like she did 25 years old. She's from she go talk where she come from anyway by herself, and now she want go back house. But the problem now be say for 2 years now she no gree see that monthly something again. For 2 years the woman tell her say I go show you. If you see who dey show person so see the picture here, na still small person dey show person so money wahala. So the girl na delta girl when they carry her go there. She na from Edo State, and yeah, I want play her message for una make una see. She really dey worried, dey cry for her monthly something when she know they see again. Wetin some people go fit do people because of money. Now heaven I go get mercy on also my people. So let's go with this right now.
The girl be this one where they bring me for her, and me I will not even notice the happen, mommy. I swear to God, I not use one mind come this place. Many people know me from Nigeria, for Abuja there. When we say shame, they even catch me for me to talk, say, see the kind of thing what I can't do for you. I'm really ashamed of myself. My mom won't be happy with me, mom. And mommy, I fear because if you tell her another problem for me, if you just kill me, waste my life for I reach out. Mommy, just now, I don't know who tell her say I call you, because this woman they see so now confirm winch. Orobo winch now she be, because just now she call me, she tell me say the plan why the plan man no try and say who be that person who I call? Say me can't save me from her bondage. Mommy, this woman now confirm this one no be I don't even know how to put her. Now God they help me for don't die because this one where she can't give me now just small for me. She don't talk and say at the beginning. It's just the beginning. That I will die. This way my life will end. Because I tell her say I know if they destroy my private part for 1.2 million just to give human being. No. I know destroy my private parts with different men. Mommy, imagine, girls say the Nigerian girls say they for you, even their father mate, even their grandfather mate, they fuck. Huh?
Mona wait to never finish.
Mommy, the woman call me. She did ready. But like, see, ma tell you. She even call your name. See, ma tell you. Be very careful with her. You know, I feel scared.
Okay.
Hello, First African German lady. Good morning, ma. Ma, they bring me come and you to go and do a shower. And me, I don't know. Now when I reach here, now she starts to tell me because now my friend now carry me, come give me to this woman. So I be Edo State girl. Ma, Bemona help me. Since I come here now, I no be give her money. Now she sees my period. I know they see my period again. For how many years now? Getting to 2 years, ma. Bemona help me. Good morning, African German lady. Ma, please. I'm in need of help. Nigeria should please help me. My name is Priscilla. I'm from Edo State. I'm 25 years old. Ma, someone brought me to Mali for prostitution, a lady. But please, Nigeria should help me. 2 years now, I've not seen my period because I refused to give her the money she brought me here with. Of course, of which I don't know about the work we are coming to do here. She only asked me to come. Nigeria should please help me. First German lady, please help me, ma. Ma, please, I want to go back to my school. I left school. I want to go back to school. I want to go back to my family. I want to go back and take care of myself. Ma, please help me. Thank you, ma. Nigeria, please help me. First African German. Please help me, ma. Help me, ma. God bless you.
Okay, so my people, una hear this young lady for Mali, like she did. So she said she want to go back to Nigeria. And the woman also in question, the woman, a robo woman, na very young girl also, young girl when they do this their bad business, this money of blood, so when they do. Young girl, young robo girl, na do her like this. So for 2 years now, she said she not dey see monthly something again because she comot for the woman house, and the woman tell her say make you no comot. You need to finish the money where you need to pay to the woman now. Can be 2 point something million naira. Now she need to complete. And that place, the girl say the place no be here. The place no be place when you for do that kind of thing and your life go remain the same. You know, now no, this Mali no be Africa country. Africa country and a black go food there. I don't know whether they white or black, but in Africa country, so definitely they go be black. So you go imagine all this kind frack me black people handle 25 years like this before she go come how many years she go don't they wear this thing, and they very bad waiting many of these women they do for you to best way not they see monthly something again. You not get like you just be like person you give RYP but she still they live. You know good just because of your own selfish interests. Why not they do like that? You know nice. You know, nice, my sister. Many of them away they Dubai. So away they where she did Somali. I don't know another country again one they often day like that. This thing one they do all over. So you know, one they do to these people. The person who they do this thing, see the person picture here. If you see the person, a very young person, very young. This one will threaten somebody now say, if you no give me, you go see what I go do you. Now for 2 years, she don't they battle with her life. And her mother not even know say that what she follow they go do for them with that one. And as she can say, I no fit resist this thing or it too big, I no fit. I want go as he say no, you go give me money. If you not give me money, you go see what you know like for this one. What go make your life they miserable. That one no here. That one really common. As that one common now for 2 years now she don't they fight this thing for inside body. She go hospital. Doctor tell her say nothing they worry her, nothing they wrong with her. But why she know they get every month red, but the thing no come. So what do you think? Wetin or this woman right now, me I be call am we no pick her number also dey here. She no pick. You see when the girl tell her say he don't tell her say oh you go give my matter to so person. So all these people you know they do it for juju place, all those kind of things wey no clean and they carry waka. Tomorrow when they want settle down by themselves now, all those things when they do come against them, they go say witches and wizards full for everywhere. You see, so people. Now this one now I get to tell now for this video. What do you think for this video now? It good as this woman use this girl monthly this thing red they pay for 1 point either 2 point or 2 point I think 2.5 say make it break now. When they use the old this thing they pay good like that. It good and they say no tell him before they be friend that be na friend connect to them. They just reach they call they happy before you know say make call the breaker, but the thing too hard. Now she want to go back to Nigeria, so she they also ask for help. If you feel like anyway I feel give you her number, me I know you know I feel give you her number, so you talk to her and you look for a way to help her. If you know say if you contact her people for Abuja, you want help her, or you travel go Nigeria right now, you did Nigeria, you like to see people, you can do that for her. If you know say you get all this help for her. Me I feel for her as a human being. I feel for her 20-something years old. I understand, but the truth is, I really can't do that much. But that madam, when you do her, that is so reward. Her that one reward still day front, they wait for him. Okay, so she don't they call me. If you see the record which they leave for me, anytime I did line for here, you see.
I'm trying to reach you, ma. Thank God that you're online. Ma, I have something to tell you, please, ma.
So you see now, so she they always.
Hi, ma. I'm your number one biggest fan. I just
So this one no lad. See, and she always they leave record here until I come say, okay, make I look into her matter. I think last week I got tell her say if I get time, I go help you publish this thing. And so the time when I get and I help and do this very video, please help us to share. And if anybody they will get help to render to her, make the person let us know. You go feel get her number. Okay, I will feel give you her number so you talk to her. If you know say if you still help her for her period for her monthly this thing, you feel help her. Now as she did there, she know they see anything for every month. Small girl like that, she never born before, and she want go back to Nigeria. So anything you know say if you take help, and I those state person, if all the Edo State people or you know still be Edo State, you just be you God learn for your heart to assist her, or you want call her or anyhow. So no fail to let me know. Leave your comment under this comment session. I go reply all of una comment. I go see. I mean, I feel not feel reply all of una comment, but if your comment drag my attention of you ask me for something, I go reply you. But one thing, all the comment when they enter video, no one person know they see. I they see all. So I go feel reply the one way I want. Make a reply. Maybe if you refer her to me to collect her number or whatever, I go answer you. So thank you so much for being here. Make una not fail to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube queen. And I don't know how to thank una for this particular channel. I don't know how to thank una. Una do well. Thank you all so much. I appreciate a lot. Thank you guys. Stay blessed and